Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix sound problem on Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta check basic things first. So you gotta make sure volume is not muted. Click the speaker icon at the bottom right and increase the volume. You can check your headphone speakers are properly connected or try a different audio device if possible. Then head over to your settings and go to system from the left hand side and click on sound. Here you'll be able to see your speakers. So make sure that you have selected your correct device. If everything is correct and you still face the issue, then you gotta go to the search bar and type in device manager. You gotta expand the option of sound, video and game controllers and make sure that all of the drivers are updated by right-clicking on them and clicking on update driver one by one. And that will basically fix your sound problem on Windows 10. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.